We are going to bisect an angle. So we're going to cut an angle exactly in half. So take your compass, put it on the vertex, and open it up further rather than closer to the vertex because you're more likely to be more accurate. And draw a tick mark. And with that same measurement, you can go over to the other side. And over here, you can draw a tick mark. Then you can put your compass on your new intersecting point. So you can put one here, and you're going to draw a tick mark in the middle now of your angle. And then put it on this intersection, and you're going to draw a tick mark in the middle. Notice there's an intersection right here, and we want to connect the vertex of the angle through with a straight edge through that intersection. And now you've bisected the angle.